I saw her across the floor. My eyes loved her from the moment I saw her, but I knew I had to leave her. She spoke and my heart raced and hurt. I knew we were never meant to be. The moonlight is beautiful tonight. The angel said, breaking my heart with her words. I spoke to her. She smiled. She was the nicest, sweetest lady, but she could never be mine. We were two ships in the sea, just meeting and passing by. The moonlight is beautiful tonight. She told me we shared a glance of love and heartbreak, and had to leave far apart, never to meet again. I was forever haunted by her words. The moonlight is beautiful